Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm giving you a beginner-friendly walkthrough of SmartDraw, one of the easiest tool to create flowcharts, plans, ORG charts, or and more. Whether you are a student, business owner, or project manager, SmartDraw can help you visualize your ideas first. Let's dive right in. SmartDraw is a powerful diagramming tool you can use directly from your browser or as a downloadable app. It's packed with templates to help you build everything from flowcharts and network diagrams to mind maps and floor plans, all with drag and drop simplicity. To get started, go to smartdraw.com. Click the first link and either sign up for a free trial, log in to your account. Once you're in, click on start now. That is very slow, so keep it time. Once you are in, you will land on the dashboard. This is where you can access templates, your saved projects, or start from scratch. If you are just testing the waters, the free trial gives you access to most features. SmartDraw makes it easy to get started with ready-made templates. Just pick the type of diagram you want. For example, flowchart, great for processes or decision making. ORG charts for team or company structures. Floor plans to design rooms or layouts. Maps or mind maps, perfect for brainstorming. Click the template and SmartDraw will open the editor. Once inside the editor, you will see a clean interface with shapes on the left. And your canvas in the middle. Again loading. You can choose from here. And drag and drop. Just drag shapes into the canvas. Connect shapes. Use SmartDraw's auto connect feature to link boxes or objects. Text editing, double click any shape to add text. Smart formatting, the layout adjusts automatically to keep your diagram clean. Let's say we are building a flowchart. Uh, I will drag a start symbol from symbol here and add a decision box and add a couple of process boxes, SmartDraw link, and a couple of process boxes, SmartDraw links them automatically easily. You can customize everything from colors and fonts to line styles and background. Click a shape to change its color. Click right click, then fill, or you can also click here and set a color from here like red. Use the design tab to choose themes and layout styles. Add icons, images, and charts if needed. You can even upload your company logo or background images. SmartDraw also has element alignment tools that snap shapes perfectly in place. No more messy diagrams. Once your diagram is ready, it's time to share it. Click share to send it to teammates. Export it as a PDF, but before that, you will need to buy SmartDraw before you can print, share, or export. You can also integrate SmartDraw with Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or Microsoft Teams. Working with a team, SmartDraw allows real-time collaboration and comments. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.